Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy George coming back at you with another YouTube video. And today we're gonna be working on the Jeep, aka Audrey, the big black beast. So today we're gonna be doing brakes on her. So right now, what I'm doing, I got the brakes right here. So these are the brakes right here. I got them off of Rock Auto. They are from PowerStop. It's the Z23 tow package, performance tow package. So it has the drill and slotted rotors, and then the extreme tow and severe duty truck and tow pads. So they sell them as a set with the pads and the rotors, all four, front and rear. And for this LJ, it has discs front and rear, but if you buy it in the set of four, it's more money than if you buy just the front rotors as a set, and then the rear rotors as a set, and the pads as a set. So that's what I did to save some money. The meter should be pulling up on us soon, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. One thing I'm worried about, though, I'm not gonna lie to you, is whether my jack can actually freaking lift this shit up enough so I can get the tires off. But we about to find out. You know, I gotta have the heavy piece, big first. Show you guys what we got going on. So we got the full-size jack, 3-ton jack stands, we got the brake pads, we got the tools up here. This is stuff for my camera equipment. I'm about to put that in the back and then start working, setting up the impact and all that up here. I'm tired and I'm on a time crunch, low key, high key, so I'm just gonna get to work, guys. I'm sorry. That's just barely enough to spin the tire, bro. That shit is crazy. I don't know. All right, as you can see, these shits is cooked. I'm gonna bring you in a little bit closer for a more in-depth look. Just give me a second, guys. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but there's no pad over here and it's kind of wet. What the fuck is leaking? Oh, the fucking axle seal. That's interesting. He did tell me about that. I'm gonna have to get that sorted. It's pretty bad. So yeah, let's get these brakes done. This shit is crazy, guys. This shit is crazy. I'm gonna just show you guys me doing one, and then I'll just trailblaze through the rest of them shits because I don't got time. Oh, fuck. Of course, this shit is old as shit. I like this design. Shit is clean, boy. All right, so I got the front and the rear on the driver's side done. So now I'm gonna focus on the passenger side. I'm fucking tired, guys. But yeah, set you guys up so you can watch. pay off. I'm gonna go see my girl. We'll have a nice day on the lake. Press. No pad on this motherfucker. Just so you guys can see how bad it was. I was literally driving with no brake. So this is the good brake pad and the bad one. You can see the difference. On metal, bro. That shit is crazy. Not the first time, not the last time. Let's get this fucking rotor off. This shit is cooked. Oh shit, I'm putting it on backwards. Bro, that shows you how tired I am. All right, hey guys, it's day 2, or the next day actually. So I'm gonna give you guys an update on the brake situation. The rear calipers on this thing was a pain in the ass. All right, so the first rear caliper, as you guys saw, it kind of gave me a little bit of a headache. We got it done. It took me a little bit longer than it was supposed to. Second rear caliper, the one on the passenger side, that shit was a fucking nightmare. That shit was seized basically. Dimitri and I were able to, like, you know, work it out and finagle it and kind of like make it janky. And I was nervous that it wasn't gonna work out. Oh my god, this guy. All right, one of my neighbors is gonna come and be annoying, but we weren't sure if we were gonna be able to, if it was gonna work out, but it worked out perfectly. It was funny because the driver's side was actually like burning up, in the sense of like the rear seal on the axle is shot, so it's leaking fluid, and that fluid was burning off on the rotor and the caliper. But I'm definitely gonna do all 4 calipers in the future. I'm gonna see if there's a big brake kit for this, because I do intend on using this truck to haul my bike. But yeah, just so you guys can see, bro, the original rotors and pads were freaking shot. But as you can see, the new stuff is in there, all nice and shiny. Not like you can really see it with these rims on it, but yeah. So this one, I was worried because it was burning up, like I said, but it stopped. And it was weird because I was like, yo, like I was worried that it was something about the caliper being stuck in place or something like that. Because I was like, yo, like I've been driving this on and off for like since I got it, and it's never done that before. But then I realized when I do drive it, it's usually raining. So I was like, okay, like that's probably why I didn't notice. But yeah, everything worked out. It works. It stops somewhat. It's a lot better than what it was, but still, it's an older car, and the brakes are like, they're not what I'm used to coming from the Challenger and the Beamer and like those kind of cars. So still taking some time to get used to, but definitely gonna look into either replacing all 4 calipers, because Dimitri looked it up while we were working on it. It was like $50 for one, so like roughly $200 to $300 for a set of 4, or a big brake kit. But the big brake kits that I've seen so far, they've been like literally like caliper replacements, not even a big brake kit for real. So I gotta look into that. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, she's sitting. We got the doors off. I'm about to put the doors back on actually, but yeah, we took her for a drive yesterday, and it was quite a time. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, and stay safe, have fun.